living life like a dream, but I don't get no rest. I just got a new girl, but I'm thinking, ooh, next. Started off in first class, now I'm jumping off a jet. I put diamonds all on you, hey. I put diamonds all on my wrist, hey. I put diamonds all on my wrist.
Welcome everybody, welcome back. Today, you will all be coming on a little journey with me, because I'm dyeing my hair. I'm lightening my hair. And I'm taking you all along with me. I'm gonna be using one box of Cream of Nature Ginger Blonde. Some of the items contained in the box include the cream color developer, the high lift booster, the conditioning treatment, and the argan oil treatment. Now it is time to mix all the products together, and once you do that, you must put it in your hair immediately. Make sure the products are well shaken for better results. Now you're ready to dye your hair, but first, let me change. Before applying the hair dye, split off your hair into 4 sections. After I split my hair into 4 sections, I split each section into 2 for an easier application. Make sure you're evenly distributing the product to the area you want to apply the hair dye to. I don't want to bore you all, so I'm going to speed up the process for you guys. Okay, I'm back. Now let's take a look at how my hair looks so far. Now it is time to set a timer. I recommend setting it for 45 minutes, but you can set it to whatever time you please. Once the timer goes off, you can wash your hair with shampoo, then apply the conditioning treatment to your hair, and wait about 15 minutes before washing it out. Once all the products are washed out, I'll be using a blow dryer to speed up the process of drying my hair, but I'll only be using it on cold air to prevent unwanted heat damage. This took me a while, as you can see. In the end, I was pretty happy with my results. These are my results after washing my hair and applying the brand new black castor and flaxseed oil eco styler gel. This wraps up my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment under my video. I will see you guys next time.
Got it out the mud. What up? What up? Don't want her. She above. All my jewels, they on flood. You want war? Then let talk. Tell me what you want. Man, it is what it was.